Hello friends, today we are going to discuss Ode on Grecian Hour by John Keats' poem. Ode on Grecian Hour is a central idea of superiority of art, description of various scenes. There are 5 stanzas in this poem describe on beauty and praises, and the musician and the trees, lover and beloved, sacrifice, message, beauty is truth and truth is beauty. That is all ye know on earth and all ye need to know. This poem is invented in romantic period, belongs to younger group of the second romantic period, emerged 2 decades after the elder group. Romantic period elements are the nature, common man, simple language and projection of the feeling and emotion. Kids' sensuousness is here abundant sensuousness. Disembodied sense of ear heard melodies are sweet, but unheard are sweeter. A soft pipes play on. These lines are in this poem. The unheard are sweeter is heard melodies are sweet, but unheard are they than sweeter. A soft pipes play on. Disembodied sense of taste, so cool a purple taste of juicy pears. Beauty is truth and truth is beauty. This nature, human relation, death and time and universal. It means nature will never. Its touch of beauty is forever. Okay? And time passes but nature is there. And this is the nature is beauty is truth and truth is beauty. Sea waves are always beautiful whether it's quite or large. There are human relation. The marriage based on 3 qualities: trust, honesty, faith. Human relation based on 3 qualities: trust, honesty, faith, closeness of pain and pleasure, a marriage of a girl. The time and the universal art is immortal, performance of beauty and truth. Art teaches. My point of view, truth and beauty brings us into a relationship with a participation in the order of being. Intense feeling is an undeniable fact. Beauty exists in the imagination. See things in a positive way. In this world of pain and decay, art alone remain a friend to a man. Thank you very much. Please must watch to this channel and please subscribe. Thank you.